Come up, meaning to approach, to be raised or elevated, to become available. For example, the deadline is coming up, so I need to work on the project. A smile came up on his face when he saw the surprise tickets for the music festival will come up for sale next week. Come to, meaning regain consciousness or understanding, equal a particular amount. For example, after the accident, it took her a few minutes to come to and realize what had happened. The bill comes to $60 in total, including tax and tip. Come in, meaning enter a place, become involved in a situation or discussion. For example, please come in and make yourself comfortable. Can I come in on this matter and share my perspective? Come out, meaning be revealed or made public, be published or released as a book or movie. For example, the truth about the incident eventually came out in the press. The author's new novel will come out next month. Come down, meaning descend from a higher position, be reduced in amount or level. For example, the helicopter slowly came down and landed on the helipad. The price of the product came down significantly during the sale. Come off, meaning successfully happen or be completed, be removed or detached from something. For example, the concert came off as planned and everyone enjoyed themselves. The sticker on the bike's tank won't come off easily. Come on, meaning expressing encouragement or disbelief. For example, come on, you can do it. Come on, that can't be true, are you serious? Come over, meaning visit someone's place, experience a feeling or sensation. For example, feel free to come over anytime and hang out. A sense of calmness came over me as I walked through the woods. Come from, meaning originate or have a source. For example, the idea for the new product came from customer feedback. He comes from Brooklyn. Come across, meaning to find or discover unexpectedly, seem or appear. For example, during my research, I came across an interesting article on the topic. His words came across as insincere. Come back, meaning return to a place, recover or regain. For example, she plans to come back home for the holidays. The economy is starting to come back after the recession. Come before, meaning occur or exist prior to something else, proceed in time or order. For example, the safety of the employees comes before anything else. The invention of the telephone came before the development of the internet. Come by, meaning obtain or acquire, usually by chance, visit or drop. For example, he was able to come by the information through his connections. She said she would come by for a cup of coffee later. Come around, meaning change one's opinion or attitude, regain consciousness. For example, it took some time, but my parents finally came around to the idea of me studying abroad. After fainting, he slowly started to come around and open his eyes.